Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can design the four-way switch control in Siemens PLC logo. Maybe you already listen about this two-way switch control. Inside design the stairs or anywhere where you like to be on and off from the two stations. But in this video, I will explain you how we can design the four station journey on and off control with the help of PLC. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our this Logo Soft Comfort software, and here inside the digital section we just choose the four switches which you like. For example, four switches I1, I2, I3 and I4. That four switches I will choose, and each and every button I will make it on and off one light. Means this four stairs have in a building, and you like to be design this program for the four switches on and off in the PLC logo. How we can design? So just I will arrange these icons, and next we have to be choose the AND logic. In this program many ways you can make that design this program, but in this program I will explain you with the AND OR logic. So we first use the AND logic, and we will design it here. I will choose 8 AND blocks, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more piece we will be take the 8. So first we arrange this, after we will choose the OR logic. Here have a OR logic also. We now place it here, and this is the OR logic, and we can place it here. First of all, what we will do, we connected our first number switch with the first block, first AND block. I will make it little zoom so you will be better understand. So I will connect my first input with the first block, and this what we will do, this first input of this first AND block we will be connect with all these 8 blocks. Okay, so this line also I will connect with the here also we can connect, make this one look like, and you can connect with this first one, and after this one first one also, and this is fourth block first one bit also, and this same this one first one block also, and same this one next you can choose and connect this one, and also this 7 number, and also this 8 number. So this first connection is complete. What this system will be do, when you give the signal, here also signal come, here also come, here also come, here also come, to each 8 AND blocks your first signal will be come. When you press this I1, 8 signals will be ready. But what we will be do, we will choose just one signal, and other signals we will break. Means we use the close contact look like. Means when press this one, if you like to press this one, here this first input go signal, and but this one second one not go the signal. So let's wait, I will explain you. After this second, you have to be connect with this one second input. This you can arrange this one second. We will connect with the second block, this one second bit, and also connect this one second with this, and you can arrange this all where you like to arrange. You can arrange by self, it's very easy. Okay, and this one also, the second one you have to be connect with second bit. This one also you can connect with this one, and also same you connect with this one, and also same you can connect with this one, and also same you can connect with this one, and also same this one you can connect with this one, right? And after this is third switch also you have to be connect with the third one. Okay, you can connect with this third one, and after this third one all you have to be connect, and after this will be arrange here. If you like to be arrange here, put, or if you outside like to be arrange outside also you can arrange, it's nothing issue. Connect this one, also connect with this one, and also you can connect this one, and also connect this third one with the third network, and also this one third network you can connect this one more network. We have, you have to be choose this fourth number you have to be connect this one fourth number, connect this fourth number, and connect with this one all. Okay, this is the last side. If you like to be connected here, no problem, you can make it here, arrange lines with your choice. Little I will make the small. It's nothing issue, can connect with this, and also this one you can connect with this line, and also this one you have to be connect with the third one. This one, remember this one, this is third one, you have to be connect with this third one. Okay, and this one now we are using this and last, so and last you can, no sorry, this one third one, this third one you have to be connect with this third one. Okay, and this now last one you have to be connect with the last one, and arrange look like this one all, and also here you can connect this, also this one you can connect here, and this last one you can connect with here, and this also you can connect with this one. Inside also you can fix it here, have a space here, but nothing issue, we have to be just connect. But remember this one, you have to be this 4 number is connected with the 4 input of the AND block, and this third one is connect with the third one, and this second one is connect to the second one input of all of the, and this first one is the connect with the first one all. And next what we will be do here, you have to be make this block. So for example we will place it here, and this is first one, you connect with this first one block, and this second one you can connect with the second, and this third one you can connect with the third, and little arrange these lines anywhere you can arrange, nothing issue. Okay, and this fourth one you can connect with the fourth one and arrange the lines. Okay, and this one block you can connect with this fifth one here and arrange this one little, and the sixth number you can connect with here, and this you can arrange little, and this one with the connect third number network with the OR logic, and this one last one is you can connect with the 4 number logic. Okay, now you have to be choose one more block and logic, sorry, OR logic, and this you can place it here in the center, no problem. And this is first one you can connect with this first one, and this one you can connect with the second one, and one output we will be take on the digital section, and here you can place this one and connect this one. Okay, it's very simple and easy method. And now you have to be give the first signal to the first input. So here double click it on is on the corner. Now here this is your look like a not gate yani. This is close contact. When you press the signal, after here signal go, here not go. After this one also this one press, also this one third one, and same as you have to be connect here this one leave, and second one you have to be start, and same as this first one leave, and this one yeah sorry, this one you have to be choose, and this one you have to leave, and this second one and third one you can make the close, and also same you here you have to be here you second leave, here you third leave, and this one you will be make it close, and same as this one you can leave the fourth number. This three you have to be make the blockage, and this one to last make the open 4 number. Means this is the 3 number, this is 2 number, and this is the first input, and this one last you have to be, and this last one you have to be connect with this one, and now you have to be close this first one, and now after this one, and here now you leave this one first one, and that one you have to be choose. Okay, and here you have to be block the third one, this one third one, and here you can block the fourth number. Now this is your close contacts, and this is all other is the open contacts. So now almost our program is now completed, and we can now test our logic with the simulation. Okay, and this is also you can arrange by the small, and this is also we can arrange near. So first we will check by the simulation, and our output is also off. So you can see this is the close contacts, this is our red buttons look like showing, and this black are same like our connectors yani our connections. So for an example, I will make it here. This is now all our buttons are shown I1 to I4. This is first one I will press. Here also I can press, and also you can here also you can make it on and off. Here you can see I1, I2, I3, and I4, and also Q1 also is shown here in the simulation. And as per seen, now I make it this one first one on, our first one switch is on, and I will make off, it will be off, right? And for example, I like to stop it from I2, so I will click it here, and after you can see our output is off. And if I go to the third number, if I look, make it on, and you can see this is the on, and if you like to make it off, you can make it off. And 4 number also same, like when you make it on, it will be on, and if you like to make it off, it will be off. Anywhere you can make this on and off from the 4 switches, that combination of the and logic. Anywhere from I3 which you like to be start, I3 will be start. Which stair you are stand on, that's you can press the button and you occur on your output. So now we will test by real physical PLC with the logic. I will download this program into the PLC. First we will be test our connection is okay, and click OK. Your program will be start downloading, and click yes, and now program is downloaded. Click yes, it's now into run mode, and make the simulation on. And once it will be ready for online monitoring, you can see our program is successfully online monitored. Now it's cannot be on off from here. We have to be physical with the physical PLC. We have to be make it on off. So I will open my camera, and we can see our test our logic by the camera. I will hide this one, and I will little open this one. If open or not open, it's nothing issue, because of we can see our logic in the physical. This is my PLC logo, and I connected this hardware with the first input is our Q1. That's Q1 is my first input, and this is 4 push buttons look like in also in a serial. This is my first push button, this is second, third and fourth. Same as also will be status can be monitored in I1. When I press this one first one, you can see the status in I1. For example, I will press this first button, and after our output you can see is the on. And when I press the second push button, you can see it's now second push button, our output is on. And when I press the third push button, you can see our third with the third push button on. This can be put it, you can put as the selector switch also, that's nothing issue. This is 4 number, you can see when I press the 4 number button, it's also on. And if you, for example, both you like to be here is running, and here you like to be stop in the second push button, see this is the second push button. If you like to be stop, I press this one second button, and after you can see that the stop your light. And here anywhere you like to be start and stop, this your program will be work. So hope guys you will be understand about this 4-way switch logic. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.